In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Planner. If you need to get into Microsoft Planner for the first time or you just want a quick refresher, this process is very simple and should only take a minute. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Planner. Once the page loads, you'll arrive at the Planner homepage. This is the main entry point for the tool, so if you ever need to come back later, this is the page you'll want to remember or bookmark for quick access. When you're on the Microsoft Planner page, look for the Sign In option and click it. This will take you to Microsoft's secure login page, where you'll enter your account information. If you're already signed in to another Microsoft service in the same browser, the page may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. Next, type in your email address in the Sign In field. Make sure you enter the correct work, school, or Microsoft account email associated with your Planner access. Take a second to double check for any typing mistakes, since even a small error can prevent you from moving forward. After entering your email, click Next. This tells Microsoft which account you're trying to access and moves you to the password screen. If your organization uses multiple sign-in options, you may also see a branded page or an additional prompt before continuing. That's normal. Now enter your password and press Enter on your keyboard to sign in. Be careful to type your password exactly as it should appear, including any capital letters or special characters. If your password is hidden as you type, that's a normal security feature. If needed, you can usually use the Show Password option to confirm what you entered before submitting. Once your credentials are accepted, Microsoft Planner should open and you'll be taken into the app. From there, you can start viewing plans, tracking tasks, or managing teamwork depending on the access level connected to your account. As a quick tip, if you have trouble signing in, first check that you're using the correct email and password. Also, make sure your browser is up to date and that you have permission to access Planner through your organization. In some cases, you may also be asked to complete an additional verification step, such as multi-factor authentication, before you can continue. And that's it. That's how to access Microsoft Planner quickly and securely.